As we immerse ourselves in the enchanting aura of the holiday season, amidst the dazzling lights and merry festivities, there's a profound story waiting to be told, a tale that goes beyond the glitz and glamour of Christmas. Join me on a journey to uncover the deeper meaning of this cherished celebration. In this video, we'll explore the essence of Christmas, delving into its timeless message of love, compassion, and renewal. Let's unwrap the true spirit of Christmas together in the next 1,000 words. Christmas is more than just a season. It's a time where traditions, emotions, and memories converge into a beautiful tapestry of warmth and togetherness. It's a season that stirs our spirits, reminding us of the values that truly matter in life. In the hustle and bustle of the holiday rush, it's easy to get lost in the whirlwind of shopping lists, decorations, and festivities. However, amidst all this, it's crucial to pause and reflect on the deeper significance of Christmas. At its core, Christmas is a celebration of love, compassion, and hope. It's a time to extend kindness and generosity, not just to our loved ones, but to those who may be facing challenges or loneliness during this period. It's about embracing the spirit of giving, not only material gifts, but the gift of our time, attention, and understanding. The story of Christmas, with its humble beginnings in a stable, resonates with the simple yet profound message of humility and humanity. It teaches us that greatness can emerge from the most unexpected and humble places. The birth of a child, surrounded by animals and visited by shepherds, carries the essence of hope and new beginnings, a reminder that every moment holds the potential for miracles and blessings. In our modern celebrations, amidst the dazzling lights and elaborate decorations, it's crucial to remember those who might be struggling, those who may not have the means to indulge in the extravagance often associated with this time of year. It's a time to open our hearts wider, to welcome those who are alone, to offer comfort to the grieving, and to share the joy with the less fortunate. Furthermore, Christmas prompts us to reflect on our connections with family, friends, and even strangers. It's a time to bridge gaps, heal wounds, and strengthen bonds. In a world often divided by differences, Christmas serves as a gentle nudge to embrace diversity and foster unity, understanding that our uniqueness adds richness to the fabric of humanity. As we gather around the table, exchanging gifts and stories, let's not forget the true essence of this season, the joy of being together, the laughter that resonates in our homes, and the love that binds us. Let's appreciate the moments of serenity, the quiet times spent in reflection, and the opportunity to create lasting memories with those we hold dear. Beyond the festivities, Christmas invites us to look within ourselves, to examine our actions, and to rekindle the spirit of gratitude. It's a time to be thankful for the blessings we have, both big and small: a roof over our heads, food on the table, the warmth of companionship, and the chance to make a difference in someone else's life. Ultimately, Christmas is a season of hope, a beacon that reminds us to believe in brighter tomorrows and to carry the light of kindness wherever we go. It's a time to plant seeds of compassion that will continue to grow long after the holiday decorations are put away. May this Christmas be a reminder to cherish each moment, to embrace the joy of giving, and to spread love wherever we tread. As we celebrate, let's carry the spirit of Christmas not just during the season, but throughout the year, making the world a little brighter for everyone we encounter. Merry Christmas!